In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix unexpected client behavior in Roblox. So in case you've been disconnected from your game and got a message saying something like this, so you have been kicked due to unexpected client behavior, error code, and then whatever it is, and with the only option to leave, I'm going to show you how to fix it. So the easiest way to do this is by clearing and deleting the Roblox cache on your computer. So once you get this error, simply close down Roblox, and then the next thing you want to do is on your keyboard press the Windows key and then R, so Windows and R, which will open up this run program down here. And in here you want to type this, okay, %temp%. This will open up the temporary files on our computer, which also include the cache inside Roblox, and you want to press OK. And this will open up this folder over here, where you want to scroll down and look for Roblox, okay? And now, as you can see, I have it over here. You want to simply open it up, and as you can see, there's a bunch of random stuff in here, which is basically the Roblox cache. So you want to simply click on the folder, and then press this delete button up here, or simply delete on your keyboard, which will delete this folder. And that's literally it. You can then open back up your Roblox and see if this problem persists, but it shouldn't because the cache has been cleared.